Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video that is a clean and decorate with me, chocked full of cleaning inspiration and motivation to get you motivated to clean a space in your home. This is my dirty little secret room. As I've been decorating throughout the weeks, everything has just kind of fallen on our dining room table in our dining room. So I am tackling that this morning, as well as our kitchen, and then we'll decorate towards the end of the video. I hope you get inspired and motivated to clean along with me.
Tonight, it climbs down the chimney at the speed of light while we're
Okay, I've got my boxes lined up. I don't have enough Tupperware plastic ones, but these work totally fine, so I'm okay with that until we can get more. So basically I have one for non-seasonal decor, so pieces that I'm pulling off of the shelves in order to put up like Halloween decorations or Christmas decorations, or whatever it may be, and I'm pulling those things off. I'm going to store them in there until that season is over. Then I have extra Christmas decor that I'm not going to use. Then I can use one of these for Halloween decor, and then honestly I think I've got an extra. So I'm hoping I've got stuff on there. I've got all of my stuff I need to take upstairs right there. And then I need to clean off the table and this section right here. So I should have enough space in these boxes to get it all done.
carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this room has become my dirty little secret. You guys have not seen it in any videos lately because it is a disaster. As I have been transitioning from fall decor to Christmas decor, this room has been the catch-all. So pulling things off the shelves, it gets stored in the dining room. Bringing stuff in, from the store, gets stored in the dining room. And it was so much stuff that I finally was like, all right, listen, I've got to tackle this. It's getting out of control. So I'm finally packing away all of the fall decor. It is officially wintry season here in Kansas City, and I just wanted to get it packed away and out of the house as far as my decor goes. So I'm tackling this today. I'm also putting away all of the things that I would normally just have as regular decor so I can make room for my Christmas decor. Anyways, I even found some of Sophia's toys underneath all of the decor. So here she is, just kind of finding her little dinosaur. She is so infatuated with dinosaurs right now. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So she was playing with that in the room while I was cleaning everything out. Once I got the table cleaned off, then I started going in and deep cleaning everything. So much dust and just, glitter and all of that needed to be wiped down. I even cleaned the windows and the baseboards just to make sure the room was extra, extra clean before I started decorating. So I'm just cleaning this up, then we'll move on to the other items in the room, and then we'll move into the kitchen because you guys, that is also a huge disaster.
On the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah? I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose.
Okay, so I have finished cleaning this room. I went and grabbed myself a cup of coffee because I'm tired already and I still have so much to do. Let me know if you're the same way at cleaning as me, but sometimes I kind of just rotate my stuff through the rooms. So, though this room is clean, as you saw, I had all of my Christmas stuff still on the table. I wanted to get this room cleaned. So, I took it and I put it on the kitchen table because that makes sense. So the next room to tackle is the kitchen, and then I'll be ready to decorate. So I have to decorate the dining room, the entryway, and finish the living room. And then the bottom floor is done. I'm still debating on whether or not I want to decorate our bathroom on this floor. Because I have a project that I'm thinking of doing in that room, so I don't want to decorate it and then undecorate it to do the project. So I might try and do the project first, and I don't know if I'll get that done this year. The dogs are playing, so if you hear any squealing and romping around, I swear she sounds like she is not okay, but she is fine. She just makes those little squeals. So I'm gonna take a quick sip of my coffee and then we'll get moving on the kitchen.
Always got you on my mind, but I know this time.
As I said, I told you this room was a huge disaster as well. This has become a catch-all as well for everything just random. I don't know, half of the stuff in here, I'm like, why is this even in here? But here we are. So I'm tackling this room today. All of this cleaning took me around 5 or 6 hours. It was not an easy task. I just kept going and going and going, hopefully, you know, trying to get the motivation to just tackle through it. And I did. I'm really happy. I was so exhausted after doing this, but it was totally worth it to have our dining room and our kitchen back in normal functioning order, nice and clean the way I like it. It's so interesting because as I kind of look back on the last few weeks, I have felt, you know, pretty scatterbrained and a little overwhelmed. I think we're all feeling rather overwhelmed right now with everything that's going on, and then the holiday seasons are right around the corner. It's so easy to just get bogged down by everything, and I noticed that I was showing that in the way I was taking care of my house. So, you know, I wasn't cleaning the way I needed to be cleaning. I wasn't putting things away. It was just kind of building up. And that is a direct reflection of where my headspace is at. So I finally said, you know what, Sydney, you've got to get it together and you've got to tackle this. Just start with one little task. Let's go ahead and get all of the fall decor pulled out of the table and into a box, and then we'll go from there. So I kind of broke it down by baby steps, and I gave myself grace, and I was able to get it all done. And I'm so much happier. You know, when I come home now, it's not, oh my gosh, there's so much stuff everywhere. You know, I feel a little bit more at peace, and it's just so crazy. I don't know if anybody else is like that. If you can, there are telltale signs of like how you're doing. And for me, it's the cleanliness of my house. If my house isn't clean, that is like, okay, Sydney, what's going on? You know, that's the first thing that is obvious for me that I'm not doing okay. And that's okay. Like, I guess what I'm trying to say is it's okay to not be okay. And especially right now, it's so overwhelming with everything. We have to give ourselves grace and allow ourselves to not be okay. But the big thing is to know that we still have to keep going, and we still have to keep pushing through, and we have to get through those lulls where we're just not feeling our best.
I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh.
So I went ahead and pulled the things that I thought I could use in this room. Again, I'm kind of going more simple. So I think that these will work really well in here. I'm going to do a very, very simple centerpiece, just because I don't want to take away from the table. This is a new table. It's from the Unruh company, Unruh Furniture. I'll leave their information linked in the description below, but it's brand new and I just want to be able to see all of the wood grain. So I'm going to do a very, very simple, minimal centerpiece, and then I'll accent some Christmas stuff here. We'll do the China hutch, and then I think that'll be just about it for this room. But these are the things I'm thinking that I'll pull in here. I also have this sign that I'm going to put just above our bar cart. So I'm going to keep that very clean and simple as well, and then I'll just accent it with a sign right here.
Somewhere, you and me. I would rather be somewhere with you, without TV or phone. Is it wrong for me?
So again, I'm keeping everything pretty simple this year, and I think that's good for me. You know, we really decorated for fall, and I loved how everything turned out for fall. For Christmas, I really wanted to keep it pretty simple and clean, but also cozy, and I think I accomplished that. I didn't want to go overboard, but I did want those little touches of Christmas in every room of the house. So I was able to decorate the dining room. That just leaves the entryway and then part of the living room that we have to tackle next. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss those videos. And then I'm also creating a Christmas playlist. So if you're wanting tons of Christmas motivation and inspiration, you can just click that playlist and it'll play through all of our Christmas videos, so you can clean along with me or decorate along with me. If you are doing any of those things, let me know in the comment section below. I'm always curious to know what you were able to accomplish while watching one of my videos. Again, my name is Sydney, and I'm so happy you stopped by. Until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.
Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends